I don't like putting a lot of foundation. Oops.
Hey loves, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vanessa. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my flawless everyday makeup routine. So let's just get right into the video. Since we are going to be doing like really light makeup, that's like natural makeup, I like my brows to always be on point. Like, you know what they say, eyebrows are the windows to your face, so you want your windows to always be like snatched. I'm going to take the leftover concealer I have on my hand and just put this all over my lid. We're not going to be doing eyeshadow. Some powder and just set this. Now I'm done with my brows. I'm going to prime my face with the Rimmel Long Lasting Finish Base. This is like a really nice primer. It's not too matte. It just helps to make your makeup last all day. I have a detailed video on how to make your makeup last all day if you have oily skin. I'm going to link it up here. I'm going to take some powder, some loose powder, and set the primer. I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation. This foundation is like my favorite foundation for every day. Like, I love this foundation so much. I haven't used it in a while because the pump is broken. You can see it's really difficult to get a foundation. I have to open up the bottle. I'm just going to shake this up first. To use my foundation brush to just blend this in. I don't like putting a lot of foundation. Oops. Oh my god. I don't like putting a lot of foundation on my forehead. Let's take my sponge now and just go right. Can you see how beautifully this foundation just melted into my skin? This is what you want for an everyday makeup look. You don't want anything too cakey, just really lightweight. To highlight my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit concealer. This is in the shade, what shade is this? I don't know anymore. I think there was a sticker here and it peeled off. This concealer is really lightweight. It's not completely full coverage. Though if you want it to be full coverage, you can let it dry, but it's really light. It gives a really light and beautiful coverage underneath your eyes. I'm going to take this pressed powder. This is from Fina Cosmetics in the shade Honey Glow. It's a matte pressed powder, and I like to use this to set underneath my eyes when I'm not using loose setting powder. I don't feel like using a loose setting powder, so I'm just going to take this powder puff and the powder. Make sure there are no creases underneath my eyes. I'm going to do a little bit of contour with my face definer key. I'm going to go over my whole face with my Studio Fix powder from MAC. I'll just warm up my face. I'm going to use my face powder to contour my nose.
some of that same face powder and just put this into my crease. Now I'm going to go over my face again. The key to getting like really flawless face is just blend properly and go over everything with your face powder. You highlight your face, go over it with your face powder. You do your contour, go over it with your face powder to make everything look so seamless and well blended. I'm going to use my trusty old Glam Girls Cosmetics blush. Sometimes I go overboard with my blush, but I really like the look. You can do your blush however you want. And I bring a little bit up here, to just warm up my whole face. I'm going to set my face now with my Zica Cosmetics setting spray. While Jesus Christ, what's happening? While my lash glue is drying, I'm going to do a little bit of liner. I'm not going to do like a crazy thick or long wing, just something really light. On a good day, I'll go out like this, like without lashes, but I'm just feeling a bit extra today, so I'm going to do my lashes. So I'm done with my lashes now. Like, how cute are these? These are just like regular lashes I got from the market, by the way. I'm going to go back and get more. It's time for highlights. You want something really subtle, not too much. So I'm going to use this, my highlighter from Glam Beauty Pro Cosmetics. I'm going to put some in my inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to line my waterline. I'm going to line my lips with a brown pencil. So I outlined my lips and filled them in a bit. I'm going to use my regular nude lipstick. I'm going to top it off with this gloss from Shimmer Glint Cosmetics. I want my under eyes to be like a tad bit lighter, so I'm going to take some of my banana powder, this pointy brush, and just sweep it across. See the difference? This is the final look, you guys. Like, on a good day, like if I'm not filming, this takes me less than 30 minutes to do. Like in 30 minutes I'm done and out of the house. This is a look you can wear with anything and everything. You can wear this to parties, you can wear this to the club, you can wear this to church, you can wear this to work, you can wear this to school, anywhere. Like, you can wear this anywhere and it looks so good. The skin is bomb brows, minimal glow, cute lashes, glossy lips. We're good to go, baby. So I really hope you like this look, because this is like my favorite type of look of all time. Sometimes I do this without lashes and without liner. I just apply a little bit of mascara on my lashes, and yeah. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. Click the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification button so you'll be notified anytime I upload. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, and share to your friends. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.